Every AI creator right now has one big problem in common. AI tools are very expensive. The tools you need to generate images are expensive. The tools to create videos are even more expensive. Even the tools you need to edit your videos cost a whole lot of money. And if you're just starting out, paying for all these subscriptions to me is a lot for something you are not earning from yet. But guess what? Today, I've got something exciting for you that will help you save money while you create. I'm going to show you how to create an entire AI video from scratch, from scripting to generating your storyboard to creating the videos and finally editing everything into a professional looking video, all for free. So if you are new to AI content creation, I've got you covered. Now, without wasting any more of our time, let's jump straight into it. Every great AI video starts with one good story. To do that, we'll be using ChatGPT. You can also use Quot or any other writing tool you prefer, alright?
Now go ahead and explain your idea to ChatGPT in as much detail as possible, just like I'm doing here. Tell it exactly what you want to achieve with your story. If you already have a rough draft, paste it as well. This gives ChatGPT a better understanding of your vision. Also, don't forget to include important details about your character, such as their names, age, gender, outfit, appearance, and any other features you want to keep consistent throughout the story.
By the way, if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT beyond scripting, I've linked a video above here. You can check it out after watching this one.
Once you send it, ChatGPT will rewrite and improve your story for you. Now you can see my story has been adjusted and written much better. So go ahead and read through yours carefully to make sure it's exactly what you want. If there's anything you don't like, simply ask ChatGPT to make changes until you're happy with it. Next, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to use my story to generate a storyboard. Now, what is a storyboard?
A storyboard is simply a scene-by-scene visual breakdown of your story. It helps keep your characters, outfits, and the overall style consistent throughout your entire video, which is exactly what you and I want, right?
One very important thing. Remember to include the aspect ratio for the platform you are creating it for. 16:9 is for YouTube and 9:16 is for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Also, make sure to add 8K resolution at the end of your prompt to get higher quality images, okay? As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the storyboard with text on the images, but I don't want that. So I will simply tell it to remove all the text and generate only the images. Then go ahead and send the prompt. And here we go, our storyboard images are ready.
Now, if we were using other AI tools, we could simply just upload our storyboard into the video generator and it will automatically generate the video using every frame in the storyboard. But this particular tool we are using can't do that yet. And as you can see, it only picked the first frame. So for this particular workflow, we'll be doing everything manually. Before we do that, if you've been enjoying this tutorial so far and you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time to do that. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a nice review in the comments. It will really help this video to reach more beginners who are looking for free ways to create AI videos and earn digitally too. Alright, let's move on.
Go back to ChatGPT, save the storyboard images to your gallery. Open your gallery, click on the image you just saved, then tap the three dots at the top and select duplicate. Duplicate it based on the number of scenes in your storyboard. Mine has 9 scenes, so I will duplicate it 9 times. Then crop each duplicated image so that every scene becomes its own separate images, okay? By the end, you should have individual images for all scenes. I'm going to fast forward the video to crop all my images now, so the video is not too lengthy. By the end, you should have all individual images for all your scenes, just like what you can see here.
It's time to bring our images to life. And for this, we'll be using a very underrated AI tool, the YouTube app itself. I know that's probably surprised some of you, right? Most people think YouTube is only for uploading videos, making money, but it can actually create some really stunning AI videos too. Okay, let me show you.
Open your YouTube app, click here, click Short, click the sparkle icon. You will see an option called Photo to Video. That's what we are meant to use, but for me, the quality is not always good, so we are not going to use that. Instead, click Create Video. Tap Add Image and upload your first scene. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the scene 1, paste it here, and click Generate.
If you're planning to earn on YouTube using these videos, you first need to set up your channel the right way so you can give yourself the best chance of getting more reach, okay? I've already made a step-by-step guide on that, so you can check out this video linked here, or you can check this video description after this tutorial.
Guys, this is amazing. Somebody shout power. Imagine this beautiful result. All for free. This is worth taking advantage of, guys. Okay, let's go back to reality. Once your videos is ready, click next, then make sure to save them as unlisted.
The reason we are choosing unlisted is because only people with the link can view it. And since our full videos are not ready yet, we are not going to share the link with anyone. This simply allows us to be able to save and download the generated videos into our gallery without publishing them to the public.
Repeat the exact same process for every scene in your storyboard. Sometimes you might encounter errors like this. You can see the AI turned my cartoon character into a real person, which is not what I want. So cases like this, you have to regenerate that scene, okay? As you can see, here are all my completed scenes. You can always find them under Short inside your YouTube account. Go ahead and download all of them.
Now it's time to put everything together, and we'll be using another free editing app called Quot. It's a great alternative to CapCut if CapCut subscription is too much for you if you're just starting out. And guess what? It's very beginner friendly and very similar to CapCut as well. If you've never used Quot before, don't worry. I've already made a complete beginner guide showing you everything you need to know. Watch that video first using the link above here, then come back here. We'll be here waiting for you. Before you start editing, make sure you already have your vision in mind. It will make the editing process much easier for you.
Go ahead and open Quot, click New Project, and select all the videos you just downloaded from YouTube. Once they are imported, play through them and make sure they are arranged in the correct order. For me, I'm going to start trimming each clip and adjusting the timing to match my narration, okay? This particular tool allows you to split your clips. If you ever want to rearrange them, simply long press on any clip and drag it to wherever you want it. Now, so this video doesn't end up being an hour long, I'm going to fast forward through my trimming and rearranging process. If you are still here and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do that, and also leave this video a very nice review in the comment section to help it reach other creators who need this video. Once you are done as well, play your entire video from the beginning to the end to make sure you are happy with everything. If everything looks good, click here, choose your preferred resolution. In this case, I'm leaving mine at 24K, and save your video. Now import the video back into Quot for final touches. Personally, I don't have much to do on this one because I kept my edits very simple most of the time. I will show you the final result at the end of this video. The first thing I will do is to extract my audio. Scroll to the right until you find fade. Then apply a fade out effect so the audio ends smoothly instead of cutting off abruptly, okay? Next, click music. You can use the background music available inside the app, but I personally don't recommend relying on it because of possible copyright issues. Instead, you can download or create a royalty-free background music. Then, come back, click extract audio, and import your own soundtrack. Of course, if you already have your own custom music, you can simply upload that instead. If you want to make your video even more engaging, click sound effect and choose from the available options to add extra impact where needed.
That's how you take an idea, turn it into a story, generate images, bring those images to life, edit everything together, and create an AI video from start to finish, all while saving money and using free AI tools. And that's it. You've just learned how to create an AI video from scripting to final edit without paying for any expensive subscriptions. Don't stop here. Check out my AI playlist where I share more free AI tools, tutorial, and workflow to help you create content faster and smarter. If you're looking to grow beyond AI, I've also created playlists for YouTube growth, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other digital skills to help you build your brand and earn online. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
I've been thinking about starting content creation. Me too, but I don't have an expensive camera or laptop. I thought successful creators needed all those fancy gadgets.
I used to believe that too, until I found SM Janet's YouTube channel.
Really? What did you learn? That your smartphone is enough to get started. She teaches video editing, AI tools, content creation, and how to monetize on social media. So we can start right now? Absolutely. All you need is the right knowledge and consistency. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! We have to celebrate!